Good morning. Today is such a beautiful Sunday, and we're heading to the Camino Ruiz Trail, trying to catch the beautiful waterfall at the end of the trail by the summit area. We're on our way to the beginning of the trail right now. Probably another 1 minute before we reach the destination. Okay, let's take a look at the map here. This should be the starting point.
So
Where are we?
We're right here.
Okay, and where do we want to be?
We want to be with waterfall right here.
Nice. Okay, 2.4 miles. Let's start. Hopefully it won't take long. We're estimating around 1 hour at most. The road here is rocky, not as well paved as the other hikes that we've gone to. The canyon is very nice. And today is such a beautiful day. Look like this used to be a small waterfall or creek running down there, but it's super dried up now. Wow, the roads here has concrete in them with a pretty nice pattern. Only for this part, it seems. These are like obstacles where we have to duck our head, otherwise we hit very bad.
It's like a forest. There's a lot of tree. I just slipped a little bit, so gotta be careful when you go around here. It can be very slippery. Look, it's a bridge right now. Look like there used to be some water down there, but it's had all dried up. Look, there's another bridge. There's dog poop right here, so gotta be careful.
Okay, looks like we have made good amount of progress. We're out of that woody, foresty area that was very narrow, and now the path here is a lot wider than before. It's open space too, makes me feel a lot more comfortable. And it took us about 16-17 minutes to get over that narrow path over there. We hit a T intersection, and now we're gonna head left toward the waterfall for another 1.8 miles. Let's keep going. Okay, the rest of the road from here should be quite flat, similar to this. Not like earlier with large rocks and slippery areas. Look at this. It's a hanging leaf just in the middle of thin air. So interesting. It's being held off by some sort of almost invisible thread. Goodbye, leaf. Check out these horse prints. They look so interesting. The bottom of the legs must be very hard. Wow, look at that. There are more down here too. Still seem quite fresh. We're stopping to appreciate this beautiful and harmonious scenery here, full of lush green trees and plants. very wide open. Nice air too today. Alrighty, let's keep walking. We must get to the waterfall.
It's pretty beautiful nature. Nice open scenery. Good to like a hike in this time where it's kind of cloudy and not.
We're almost there, right?
Yeah, probably another 5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look like another mini trail of some sort.
Or maybe used to have water running down like a mini waterfall.
Small bit of like a sandy road, but it's pretty nice. Nice look at nature. Look like a wasteland right here. You can technically build houses here, but I don't know if anyone wants to live here though. Okay, my estimation was a little bit up. We have 0.8 miles, so maybe that's another 10 minutes.
Alright, we are near.
Look, there's the waterfall down there. So we're gonna have to hike down a little bit, and then we'll see the waterfall. And it's gonna be interesting. I can hear some voice already.
Yeah, look like people are entertaining themselves down there. No swimming. No throwing away trash there. No pooping.
Look at this beautiful view. So calm and serene. Yay, we made it.
So we're here at the waterfall right now. You can see some water down there. Look pretty nice.
This man just bravely climbed from down there by the water all the way up to the top of that rock. Oh my, so dangerous.
The dangerous though. Okay, that was enough sunset. Took about 55 minutes to get to the waterfall from where we started, and now we're heading right back. Hopefully this will be shorter. Look at our pace.
Look like there's a rabbit of some sort hidden in the tree. It's probably been here for at least a year or so. We're back to the T intersection, and here's the road back. We're gonna have to go all the way up. Right here, Camino Ruiz.
And no horses beyond this point. The road's way too narrow.
Yep.
We made it back to where we started. Let's see, that took only 45 minutes. I would say that was an easy but very fun hike.
See you in the next video.
Yeah, it was a decent hike, but I would say that this is easier than the potato chip background. Yeah.
And be sure to bring hats,
Yeah.
because we forgot.
Yeah, hat and water.
Yeah. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to this video and channel. Thank you so much.
See you next time.